Hi everyone, so a lot of you have asked me what is the use of decode extender. ठीक है, decode simple तो है. What is the use of decode extender? Now if you see when I'm shooting, I usually prefer wearing like a 5 inches or a 6 inches heel. उसके लिए ये decode एकदम perfect है. I keep telling you all, decode जो है floor को touch नहीं करना चाहिए. Like half inch to an inch above the ground, which is like, look at this, perfect, right? But sometimes you don't want to wear like a 6 inches heel. You want to get into your comfortable 3 inches. Okay, now let me get into my comfortable 3 inches. Here, so when you get into that, you figure out कि भाई ये तो बहुत लंबा हो गया और आपको लगता है अब क्या करें. That's the reason decode extender बना है. Decode extender में आप 5 to 6 inches heel भी पहन सकते हैं. When you switch over to something lesser, तो आपके decode ऐसे लटके नहीं, इसलिए आपको क्या करना है, you can just fold this. Look at this. Now the brilliant idea is it has two drawstring, one for your 6 inches and the other for your 3 inches. 6 inches wala was this, right, here, and this is for your 3 inches heel. Now take this, tie this and tuck this in, right, and then this drawstring can just go inside like this. So see, I wore the same decode, 6 inches, 3 inches. You don't have to buy two. If you are a person like me who switches heels like the way I do, you should go ahead with decode extender. And let me tell you one more thing, because it's got two elastic, it acts as a tummy tucker. So you don't have to wear any tucker inside to get that shape. Any which ways, when you're wearing a decode, you get perfect shape. So let's get into our draping now.